Já vi que o fundo do poço é de verdade.
Nice. Namaskar, my name is Vinesh. In this video, I'm just gonna react to a Brazilian music video. One of you guys requested this, so to say, a couple of you guys requested my DMs and my Euro comment section. Vinesh, react to this one. So I thought I just saw it, and also it's a new artist for me. So I love to react to new artists, already, because when it's like Brazil, I react to the same artist over and over again. So also you guys said it's trending over there in Brazil and all that. So I decided to react to. So L7 NNO. I don't know how to exactly pronounce their name, but it's like kind of band or something, I'm not sure. So the name of the music video, Vivando no Age, which means living at the peak. That's the exact translation. Feat with the MC Manerino, produced by Portugal. So I'm so much excited for this one. Also Anita new song came, I'll try to react to, and it's been 2 weeks or something. But I saw the music video, but I don't know whether to react to or something. Let me know what other music videos should I react to. And it's like Brazil. I love my Brazilian subscribers. You guys are the best. Keep showing the love and support. More videos to come. So before getting to the reaction, I just want to say if you're new or India, if you're not part of the V Gang, la familia, as call me subscribers of V Gang, join the V Gang by hitting the subscribe and along with the notification bell. Do follow me in my social medias like Instagram, leave a like in my Facebook page. All these little things not even takes a fraction of a second, man. But if you guys do, so that really means a lot to me. Link in the description. Go show some love. So let's check it out. Also I got the translation for the song, so if I have any doubt, I'm gonna go see the translation, because translation is really important. So let's go. Okay. It's like favela region. Yeah, it's favela. Guys, it's favela region. Nice, guys. Love to see the favela regions. All the favela people along it. He just did the song with the favela people, the little children and all that. Is so beautiful to see it. Nice. Rap, okay. Hey. Okay, I want to see the translation, really. So I'm living at the peak, nego. Today I'm on a ship, backhoe with under it's in my pocket. Grass waves on my neck. I've seen the rock bottom. Just call me the television that will see me. Turn up your speakers that for the neighbor ear. Does everything you didn't have we send for. If they know how to multiply, we know how to divide. Accelerating. Today I'm going by Jaguar. Okay, I remember who said I wasn't coming. I arrived without diminishing you, missing those days who left early, missing those who were still so private. Gustavine, that's been a long time I haven't seen you. You have to see how my show getting crowded. From bridge over there, from Serrao is a region in Brazil, it seems. From the bridge to here, I'm from Barata. My food will always be on the ground, and my hand will always be with the silver. He just says I think he is from, these guys are from favela, but they just like became some popular artists over there. So he has like 1 million subscribers. So he just want to say how he just like came from that to here, living the life what he just really dreamt about. That's a good thing, man. Nice. Saudade daqueles que ainda estão privados. Gustavo, tem mó tempão que eu não te vejo. Tem que ver como é que tá ficando meu show lotado. Da ponte pra lá e tudo serrão. Da ponte pra cá e tudo barata. Meu pé vai tá sempre no chão. E a mão vai tá sempre com a prata. Eu tô vivendo no auge. So it'll be the same thing now. Living at the peak. Yo, love the song, man. Love the song. They just sang. Okay, it's only one artist, and besides the fact there's another artist, MC Marino. Okay, but when he gonna sing? Okay, he is singing, but they didn't mention exactly where he sang in the translation. Okay, let's go.
Grama pesa no pescoço, já vi que o fundo do poço é de verdade.
Nice.
Toda sexta-feira
There comes.
eu lembrei do tempo que minha vida era pedreira.
He's MC Marino.
Descendo a ladeira, ela desfilando com meu fogo na dedeira. Lacoste, tô no auge, no barata.
Love the funk beat, man. The background.
Menos morte, nossa falha, nosso pote. Vai levanta e fala, eu vou vencer. Liberdade vai chegar.
Yeah, loud it. I want to see the translation of the MC Marino. So what do you want to say? It wasn't Baile de Manguera every Friday. I remember the time when my life was a quarry. Today I'm from Panamera down the hill. She parading with my face on the toe. Lactose, I'm at the peak. In the cockroach we are strong. Less weapon, less death, war, failure, our size. It will take until we speak. I will win, freedom will come. We are in life to live. The smallest want to be Naima. Okay, just like want to be Naima. Okay, this life is fleeting. Even to multiply, I live to make money. And German cry. After that, he repeat the same thing. I'm living at the peak. Today, I'm on a ship. You just be grateful for what the life he got now.
Minha meta é multiplicar, vivo pra fazer dinheiro e alemão chorar. E tô vivendo no auge.
Hey.
Depois de tudo de nove, papo de sentar no bolso, grama pesa no pescoço, já vi que o fundo do poço é de verdade.
Love the whole concept of the song. They came from here and they are so successful right now and they are so grateful for it. That's the exact lyrical translation, and the whole vibe of the song is so good. Also with the funk beat. Awesome. Stop playing with me, guys. Stop playing with us.
Vivendo no auge.
Nice. This is his dad, I guess. Freedom, lots of faith, living at the top. Guys, that was an awesome one. Really loved it. I love the whole concept, the lyrical part, and besides the fact, the way they shot, like they just shot where they came from, I guess, the favela. But they're successful now. They're grateful for it, and they just want to grow more. And I really just love the concept of it. Guys, what a song. Really loved it. And I hope you guys loved my reaction. I think so. If you guys did, give a thumbs up and share this video to the maximum. And if you guys new or India, don't forget to subscribe and join the V Gang Laugh Family. We are the latest family on YouTube. Join the V Gang by hitting the subscribe button along with the notification bell. Do follow me in my social medias like Instagram. Leave a like in my Facebook page. All these little things not even takes a fraction of a second. But if you guys do so, that really means a lot to me. Link in the description down below. So make sure to show some love to your boy. And all love to my Brazilian subscribers. You guys are the best. Thermo, you guys are the best. Keep supporting and obrigado. Thank you for watching the video. Until now, if you're watching, I'm so grateful. So make sure to just show some love by following me in my Instagram, sharing the video and all that. I appreciate all the love you guys do. So with that being said, I'm just going to end this video right as always. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.